Yes, now let us see the uses of solvent. Solvent can be used in a wide range, especially in our homes. For instance, can be used in cleaning purpose as it forms the solution with dirt, which we call it solute. Another also solvent used for varnish removals, katika kuondoa zile rangi, pia in bleaching, also in degrease. Here in degrease we are talking about the removal of those oils. For instance, you can see maybe your hand is contaminated with oils. So what is to do there? You go and take soap and water. So there you can apply the solution. Why? Kwa sababu ile solute utaitumia na maji vita dissolve, then vitatengeneza solution. So you can say you are cleaning your hand, you can use by using the idea of solvent. But also used in stains removal and also thinning the paints. But also the solvents used in chemical synthesis. And when we talk about chemical synthesis here, we are talking about manufacturing. Na tunajua katika manufacturing, the most important liquid or solvent required is water. That's why water is universal solvent. Now, let us see the concept of suspension. Suspension, by definition, this is a homogeneous mixture of liquid and fine particle of the solid. This is actually, you can observe it at home, in your surrounding substance or vitu ambavyo mnavitumia kule nyumbani. This you can observe it while maybe umeweka chemical yako pale, but at the same time unaona kuna formation of particle zimekuwa formed kwenye ile solution. Ina maana zile solution zinakuwa suspended there. Ndio maana sometimes utakuwa unashauriwa baadhi ya substance au solutions uzi shake well before use because of suspension. Note that suspended particles are slightly visible. Zinaonekana kwa mbali sana, or sometimes you can't see them. Particles settle at bottom is if undisturbed. Kwamba ukiwa na solution yako then ukaiweka sehemu afu hujaidisturb, is where this particle can settle down. Zinajikusanya, zinajitenga, zinakaa kwa chini. Another is suspension formed either by liquid droplets or fine particles float in a gas is called aerosols. Kwamba zile particles ambazo zinatengenezwa katika liquid or also sometimes in form of vapor or gas are called aerosols. The blood in our body is also suspension. Why blood is suspension sometimes? Because you can see, kwa mfano utakuta mama mjamzito sometime akikaa chini kwa muda mrefu, then that blood haija circulate, haija transferred effectively kwenye body. You can see her body it tend to inavimba, yani ile damu inajikusanya sehemu moja. That is suspension. The blood tend to be suspended in the one area of the body. Another note is suspension used at home as insecticides, body sprays and medicine. And medicine here we're talking is syrups, zile dawa za maji, So always labeled shake well before use. Na siku zote unakuta hizi chemicals au substances zinakuwa zinaandikwa kabisa tikisa vizuri kabla ya kutumia. Kwa nini? Because you can see this process of suspension can take place in that solution. Kwa mfano unaweza ukaona mfano mzuri kule nyumbani. I hope my students you have already applied this. Utakuta mtu anachukua perfume lakini anaitikisa kwanza kabla ya kuanza kutumia. Why? Because sometimes ile perfume kwa sababu imesettle bila kuwa disturbed inakuwa imeshatengeneza hizi suspended particles. Kwa hiyo unakuta inakuwa inatengeneza layer inajitenga. So in order to have the clear solution you have to shake it. Ndo mtu anatikisa ili iwe na one solution ku avoid zile separation of drops or what I mean droplets. Now consider the short table which shows the summaries of the solution and the suspension. the solution is homogeneous mixture, means that solution yenyewe inakuwa uniform. It means inakuwa na the same appearance, composition and properties. But when we come in suspension, there is heterogeneous mixture. Why heterogeneous mixture? Here means that there is a different formation of particles. Kunakuwa na ununiform or different composition of the particle within the solution. Ndio maana inapelekea suspended of some of the particles. Another, the solution is transparent, means that it is clear. Kama ni solution ya maji na chumvi, so it is direct, clearly or transparent. But you can see in suspension it is opaque, mean that not clear. Unakuta sehemu nyingine kuna layer fulani ambayo you can see it's very light, but at the same time in one solution there is some of layers with deep or not clear, yani sio nyepesi, unakuta ni nzito kwa sababu zile chemicals zisha settle sehemu moja. Another difference is in solution particles completely dissolve. Kwamba tunaona kwamba katika solution tukichukua solute and solvent tukizimix together solution yetu inakuwa completely dissolve. Mfano mzuri tukichukua sugar and water or salt and water, you can see that solution it is completely dissolved. But when you come into the suspension here, particles separate without dissolving. Zile particles zinajitenga, hazichangamani zote, yani dissolve to each other. Also in solution the components separate by evaporation. Kwamba katika solution there is process of evaporation involved. It means here there is heating process. But in suspension the component can be separated by filtration. Hapa tunachuja, tunatumia physical means of filtration. Now after looking the concept of solution, the concept of suspension, now let us look the concept of emulsion. When we talk about emulsion, by definition emulsion is a mixture of liquids that do not completely mix. Kwamba hizi ni zile mixture of liquids ambazo zenyewe dissolve au hazichanganyiki kabisa, yani hazichanganyiki completely. Nikisema completely ina maana kama nimechanganya maji na mafuta, you see they can mix but not completely. For example, for emulsions include milk, which is drops of butter fats in water. You can see the same tend to form that coating of the fats in the water. Another is emulsion paints kwenye rangi, which is drops of colored oil in the water. Now note that liquid do not mix are called immiscible. So immiscible are those liquid which do not mix. For example, oil and water, cooking oil, mafuta ya kula ukichukua ukichanganya na maji are not mix, hayachanganyiki. You can see that mixture tend to put the layer, yanatengeneza layer baada ya na hayawezi kuchanganyika. Another is liquid which mix are called mixable. So all liquid which tend to mix completely are called mixable liquid. My students, after looking the whole concept, now there is a task here. You have to try this task so as you can improve your understanding concerning the whole concept we have already covered. And our task comprised of the two questions. The first question is, what do you understand about the following terms? The first term is mixture, second term is compound, and another one is solvent and solute, another one is suspension, and another one is emulsion. The second question is, give two examples of each types of solution states. Give two examples of each types of solutions state. Here you are going to be classified in the states of matter, solution in the states of matter, where you can be classified to solid state, liquid state, and gaseous state. Thank you so much for watching. This marks the end of our session today. Keep following EducareTZ for more learning content. Bye bye. Have a nice moment.